Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to see how the Arabic words change their forms according to different situations under the structure or saraf, and we are going to see how the words from their roots or jazr convert into different scales or wazn in Arabic. So let's go to our next slide. So this is our first slide. On this right hand side column I have defined different scales or the version of the Arabic words, and towards the left hand three columns I have given three different Arabic words and their corresponding forms. So for example, this is our first word. This is hal, and hal is actually a noun, and hal is actually dissolve or solve or degenerate. And then we have our second word rad, and rad is to reply, to go back. And then from these words, these two are actually nouns, and then we have our third word is actually haj is actually a verb, and haj is actually like once you ask to fulfill your need, or you go somewhere to fulfill your need, or you ask to fulfill your need, and it is actually a fail. And then we have from hal it becomes halal, and on in the two letter words there is always a third letter, which is the repetition of the second letter. So after lam there is another lam which makes it a verb, and this actually form we use to convert this word into different words. Same way, this is Rad, and Rad would become Raddat, and Raddat is again to reply, to go back, and these two are actually also fails. And then we have the fail form, three letter form of this Hajj word as well, which is Hajjaj. Hajjaj is actually plural. So Hajjaj is actually your needs, or once you are asking for the needs. And then we have file, and file is going to make Hajj into Hajj, and Hajj is actually a noun, and which is the one who is going to do the argument or do the debate in order to fulfill the need or to go for a debate. And then we have from Haj Hajat, Faila form, and this Haja is again some need. And then we have this Maful form. Maful is we're going to make Hal into Mahlul, and Mahlul is actually solution or degeneration of something, or disintegration of something, or like the thing which is going to get consumed, you can say. And then we have this Mardud, and Mardud is to go back, or it is to like reply as well, or it is to repeat as well. So reply, go back, come back, repeatedly do something. And then we have foul form. Foul form is going to make hal into halul. Halul is again once you degenerate, or once you consume, or once you disintegrate something, to analyze something or test something. And then we have file form, and from file we are going to get actually this tafeel form, and tafeel is going to make this hal into tahleel, and tahleel is actually disintegration, consumption, or degeneration. And then we have tardeed. Tardeed is again, once you are going to reply, you are going to go back and forth, you are going to like reply, so that sense we are going to use it. And then we have fall form. Fall form is amplifying noun. This is going to make hal into halal, and halal is like the thing which is like consumed or dissolved. And then we have fall form, and fall is going to make hajj into hajjaj, and hajjaj is actually also a plural. So the plural hajjaj is like the people who are going to go to do this hajj, to go to fulfill their need, to argue, to go and protest, to fulfill their need. So those are called hajjaj, and hajjaj are going to be those arguments, or those, this is also plural, those arguments to express your needs. And then we have Fala form. Fala form is actually female, and Haji is going to become Hajaja, and Hal is going to become Halala. So these two are both related to females. And then we have this Aftal form. Aftal form is going to make Haji to Ihtijaj, and Ihtijaj is again once you go somewhere to ask for your need, once you convince people for your needs, or once you do protest to fulfill your needs. And this is irtidad is again going back or being hesitant, like once you do something but then you return, so that way we are going to use it, going back, replying back. In these and this word is used. Then we have anfal form. Anfal is actually a noun, is going to make hal into in halal. In halal is again decomposition, dissolution, dissolving of something. Then we have astafal form, and astafal form is going to make rad into istardad, and istardad is again replying of something, going back. And then we have muffal form, and muffal form is going to make hal into muhallal, and muhallal is again something which is going to like something which is like dissolving, uh, uh, which is like degenerating. And then we have maftal form, and maftal form is going to make rad into murattad, and murattad is again which is going to go back, or which is going to reply back. And then we have muftail form. Muftail form is going to make hajj into muhtaj. Muhtaj is actually an adjective, and this is like the person who is like needy, who is asking from the people, or who is trying to convince the people to fulfill its needs. And then we have Fela form. Fela is going to make Hajj into Hujjah, and Hujjah is again that argument or that convincing which you are going to do to fulfill your needs. And then we have Aftal form, and Aftal form is going to make Hajj into Ahtaj, and Ahtaj is again something which is like asking for the needs to fulfill its needs. And then we have Tafal form, and Tafal form is going to make Hajj into Tahajjud. And Tahajjud is actually a noun, and this is again some debates or some arguments or some protest which you are going to do to fulfill your needs. And then we have the Halal. The Halal is again some decomposing, dissolving. Then we have Taraddad. Taraddad is again the replying, repetition, or going back. Then we have Mutfail. Mutfail is adjective, and it is going to make the Halal into Muthalal, and Muthalal is some solution, like something which is like dissolving or disintegrating. Then we have Mutaraddad, and Mutaraddad is again some person who is repeating or hesitating, going back and forth. And then we have Astfail form. Astfail form is actually a verb which is going to make Rad into Astrad, and Astrad is again something which is like going back or returning or replying back. So now let's do some summary of these things. So remember these things: Hajj, Hal, and Rad. These are two-letter words. This is the way their forms are going to change. Hajj has something to do with Hajj, Hajjat, Ajaj. Same way Hal is related to Halal, Halul, Mahlul, and same way Rad is related to Tardeed, Mardud, and Murattad and Artadad. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.